Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I've got another lab-free course solution for you. I've already added the link in the description, so you don't need to waste time searching anywhere. Just click the link, go to the page, and follow the exact steps I'll be showing you in this video. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with today's lab. Alright then, let's directly jump into the quiz solutions. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So first of all, we have to open the incognito window, and yes, all the labs that we have to do have to be done in incognito mode only. Then, we have to sign in, and only after that can we start the lab. So guys, today we're going to check out exploring data transformation with Google Cloud Batch Solutions. Now it's not necessary to complete every single part of the lab. If you want, you can simply skip directly to the quizzes and complete them. Also, keep in mind, the quiz questions can be shuffled. That means, what appears as question 1 for me might show up as question 5 for you. So, just carefully match the questions and select the right answers accordingly. Alright then, let's start with the first question. The answer for question 1 is Google Cloud Marketplace. Okay? Match it with yours and mark it correctly. The answer for question 2 is Data Lake. And the answer for question 3 is a relational database. The answer for question 4 is structured data. The answer for question 5 is this one. The answer for question 6 is first-party data. The answer for question 7 is this one. The answer for question 8 is this one. The answer for question 9 is BigQuery. The answer for question 10 is data processing. Once you've marked all the answers, simply click on Submit and you will get a tick for this quiz. After that, scroll down again and move on to quiz number 2. The answer for question 1 is Bigtable. The answer for question 2 is cloud storage. The answer for question 3 is Coldline. The answer for question 4 is this one. The answer for question 5 is Cloud SQL. The answer for question 6 is Storage and Analytics. The answer for question 7 is DataStream. The answer for question 8 is Lift and Shift. The answer for question 9 is georedundancy if data is stored in a multi-region or dual region. The answer for question 10 is Spanner. That's it. There are no more answers in this quiz. Just select these options, click Submit, and you'll see your checkmark here too. Now scroll down again and move on to the next quiz. Let's move on. This is going to be the last quiz of this batch, so let's finish this one too. The answer for question 1 is temperature sensors. The answer for question 2 is extract, transform, and load. The answer for question 3 is pub/sub. The answer for question 4 is this one. The answer for question 5 is it's 100% web-based. The answer for question 6 is Looker. That's it. Once you select them, click on Submit. As soon as you submit, you'll see the tick mark appear here. And at the bottom, the course will also automatically get marked as complete. Finally, if you go back and click on the course, you'll see that this batch has also been completed successfully. Congratulations! You've successfully completed another free batch. So that's it for today's video. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning.